media pages. We have YouTube, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, and we have Twitter at Swazi Daily News. And please also visit our website, which is www.swazidailynews.com. Come.